Today in Maths, chapter number 3, Give and Take, we see some examples of subtraction and addition. Okay, so to subtract means to minus or to cut. Okay, so we see some examples of subtraction. Here first example is given to us 67 minus 35. Okay, so two digit numbers are given to us, ones and tens. So in second standard you have done, always we start subtraction from ones place. Okay, as we start addition from ones place, that way we have to start subtraction also from ones place. Means we have to subtract 5 from 7. 7 minus 5. Dear students, we always cut a smaller number from a bigger number. So bigger number should be first. Then only we can cut the smaller number from bigger number. So here first we start from ones place. What is on in first number? What is on ones place? 7. And in second number, what is on ones place? 5 is there. So we got 5 from 7. So in second standard what we have done? You draw 7 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then you cut 5 lines. So we cut 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many lines left? 1 and 2 lines. So that is our answer. Here on answers place we write 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now we go on tens place. What is on tens place in first number? 6. And what is on tens place in second number? 3. So 6 minus 5. We have to cut 3 from 6. So we draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we cut 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. How many lines left? 1, 2, 3. So that 3 we write on answers place. So our answer is 32. 67 minus 35 is equal to 32. But today we see another method. We will not draw lines. Okay? So see here, 97 minus 46. Always we start subtraction from ones place. Means first of all 7 minus 6. Okay? So dear students, first of all you have to see second number. In second number, what is on ones place? 6 is on ones place. So you have to count the finger after 6 till you have to go 7. So after 6 count till 7. After 6, 7. Means only you got only one finger. That one you have to write on answers place. That means 7 minus 6. When we cut 6 from 7. 7 minus 6, 5 and 6. How many fingers left? 1. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now we go on tens place. So in tens place, what is in second number? So 4 is on tens place. So after 4 you have to count till 9. So count the fingers. After 4 you count till 9. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers you got? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 fingers. So that 5 you have to write here. Now we have not to draw the lines directly. With the help of fingers you have to subtract the numbers. Now see the second example. 65 minus 48. Okay. So in second number, is on ones place. And what is on? In first number, what is on ones place? 5. See, 5 minus 8. The upper number is smaller. So can we cut 8 from 5? No. We cannot cut a bigger number from a smaller number. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 6. Here we take 6 means here not it is 6. 6 tens. 6 tens means it is 60. What is there? It is 60. So we take 1 10 from 6. So how many tens remain here? 5. It has 6 tens and we take 1. So how many remain there? 5. And this 5 got 1 10. 5 got 1 10. Who gave him? 6 gave him 1 10. Okay? So this 5 got 1 10. It has already 5 and he got 1 10. So 10 and 5. Here we write 10 and 5. 15. Now 15 is greater than 8. So we can cut 8 from 15. Understood, students? So we have to count the finger after 8. We have to go till 15. So after it we count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Now 10 place, 5 minus 4. So we have to see what is on 10 place in second number 4. So after 4 we have to count the finger till 5. So after 4, 5. Only one finger means 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And 65 minus 48 is equal to 17. Now see the third example. 31 minus 17. First we start subtraction from ones place. Means 1 minus 7. So 1 is smaller than 7. We cannot cut 7 from 1. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 3. And it is 3 tens. 3 tens means it is 30. Okay. So we take 1 10 from this 3. So how many tens remain with it? Here remain 2 tens. And this 1 got 1 10. 1 has 1 and another 10 he got. Means 10 plus 1. Now how many it has? 10 plus 1? 11. Yes, 11. Now 11 is greater than 7. So we can cut 7 from 11. So here in second number 7 is on ones place. So after 7 we have to count the finger till 11. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. And 2 minus 1. So after 2 we have to count till. After 1 we have to count till 2. So 1 after 1, 2. Only 1 we get. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now here horizontally written 86 minus 60. So we write 8 vertically 86 minus 60. Dear students, always we have to write ones below ones, tens below tens. Now 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 means we have nothing to cut from 6. 6 minus 0, you have 6 chocolates and you do not eat a single chocolate. So how many chocolates remains with you? 6 chocolates. So 6 minus 0 is equal to 6 only. And 8 minus 6, 10th place. We subtract 10th place. What is 10th place in second number? 6 is there. So after 6 we have to count finger till 8. After 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you got? 2. Means 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Your answer is 26. Now 77 minus 33. So we write it 77 minus 33. Ones place and tens place. We start from ones place. Here we have to see first of all the second number. Second number, what is on ones place? 3. So after 3 we have to count the finger till 4. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you got? 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now we subtract tens place. So in tens place also we have to see the what is on tens place in second number. So 3 is there. So here also we have to count the finger after 3 till 7. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore we have to write on answer place. 77 minus 33 is equal to 44. Now 61 minus 32. 61 minus 32. First we subtract ones place. So 1 minus 2. 1 is smaller than 2. We cannot subtract 2 from 1. So we have to borrow from 6. 6 tenths means it has 60. So we take 1 tenth from 6. So here remain 5. And this 1 got 1 tenth. It has already 1. And another 10 he got. Means 10 plus 1. Now it has 11. 11 minus 2. Okay. So after 2 we have to count the finger till 11. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. And 5 minus 3. So after 3 we have to count the finger till 5. So after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers you got? 2. So therefore you have to write on answer place. Means 61 minus 32. Answer is 29. Now dear students, today you learn something new. Expand and add. Here two numbers are given to us. We have to expand them and then we have to add them. We know how to expand the number 73. 73 means 7 is on 10th place. That means it is 70 plus 3. Okay? Plus sign is here. We expand 24. 2 is on 10th place. That is 20. And 4 on 1's place. It is 4. Now first of all we add 10th place. 70 plus 20. We add 20 in 70. 70 plus 20. 70. We add 10, we get 80 and 90. So 70 plus 20, 90 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 3 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 3 is here. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We add ones place. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now we add 90 plus 7. 90 plus 7, 97. Understood? Now 32 plus 56. First of all, we have to expand the number. 32. 3 is on 10th place, so it is 30. 2 is on 1st place, it is 2 only. Plus 5 is on 10th place, it is 50. And 6 is on 1st place, so it is 6. Now we add 10th place. 30 plus 50. So in 30 we have to add 50. So 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So when we add 50 and 30 we get 80 plus 2 plus 6. 2 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. So 2 is here. After 2 we have to count all fingers. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we write 8. Now we add 80 plus 8. 80 plus 8, 88. 84 plus 13. First we expand the number. 8 is on 10th place. That means it is 80. 4 is on 1st place. It is 4. 1 is on 10th place. 1 times 10 means 10. And 3 is on 1st place means 3 times 1. That means 3 only. Now we add 10th place. 80 plus 10. We have 80 and we got another 10. So 80 plus 10, 90. Plus 4 plus 3. 4 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. So after 4 count 3 fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we write 7. Now 90 plus 7, 97. Now we see addition of 3-digit number. In last class we have seen addition of 2-digit number. Today we see addition of 3-digit number, means ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. So first of all we start addition from ones place. So 4 plus 3. 4 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. After 4 you have to add 3 fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 4 plus 3 we get 7. Then 3 plus 2, 10th place. 3 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. After 3, 4 and 5. Means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That 5 we have to write as answer place. Now 2 plus 4. 2 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write 6 on hundreds place, means 234 plus 423. The answer is 657. Clear? Now second example, 405 plus 183. Always we have to start addition or subtraction from ones place. So first we add 5 plus 3. 5 where we have to keep in mind. And we have to take 3 fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 plus 8. 0 means nothing. And when we add 8 in 0, so we get 8 only. And 4 plus 1. 4 is there and we have to add 1. 4 plus 1. What is that? 5. Now 28 plus 560. 28. 28 means fully 2-digit number, and 560 is 3-digit number. Okay, so here one number is with 2 digit and another number is with 3 digit. But when we write, always write ones below ones, tens below tens. If you write this way, 28 plus 560 means this is wrong. In 28, 8 is on ones place, so it should be here on ones place. And 2 is on tens place, so 2 should be on tens place. But here we have written 8 on tens place and 2 on hundreds place. That means the digit is wrong. So always write ones below ones, tens below tens. Now 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. 8 is there and we have 0 means nothing. We have not to add anything. We get only 8. 2 plus 6. 2 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. After 2 count. After 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And here nothing on 100 place. 0 is there. So we have not to add anything. Here it is 5 only. Now 532 plus 46. So 532 plus 46. 532 is 3-digit number and 46 is 2-digit number, means 6 on ones place and 4 on tens place. So 4 we have to write on tens place and 6 we have to write on ones place. Now 2 plus 6. 2 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. So after 2 count 6 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 on answers place. Now 3 plus 4. 3 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. After 3 count 4. So 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have only 5. That 5 we need to write here. Now 604 plus 205. 4 plus 5. 4 we have to keep in our mind. 4 is here and we have to take 5 fingers. So after 4 add 5 fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 0. 0 is there and we have not to add anything. 0 plus 0, 0 only. And 6 plus 2. 6 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. After 6 add 2 fingers. After 6, 7, 8. The answer is 809. So dear students, I hope you have understood all the examples. Try yourself other examples. Till then, goodbye.